Whether you are a businessman, a developer, or a YouTuber, the time is the most valuable asset. You need tools that help to save your time and increase productivity. That's where Microsoft Copilot comes in. In this video, I am going to tell about Microsoft Copilot, the AI powered assistant. If you are a business person who need business assistant, imagine being able to do it without constantly switching between documents and scheduling meetings. It generates answers anchored to your business content, your documents, emails, calendar, chats, meeting, contacts, and other business data. If you are a developer, you know how worst it can be to write repetitive code. Copilot helps you to write the code faster by suggesting code snippets based on your previous work. It can also help you to catch up errors and avoid common coding mistakes. And if you are a YouTuber, Copilot can even help you with video editing. It can suggest transitions, effects, and even music based on your editing style. Copilot works with variety of programming languages including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, and more. It even works with popular frameworks like React and AngularJS. With Copilot, you can write code faster, edit videos more efficiently, and with less frustration. It's like having code or editing partner who understands you and can help you achieve your goals. So whether you are a businessman or developer or a YouTuber, try Microsoft Copilot today and see how it can help you save time and increase productivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.